Hey guys, it's Andrew from Uplynk here, and I just want to talk to you about a neat project that we're working on. Alright, so this is the plan for St. Mark's Church. Just want to talk through it. The building is way too difficult to run wire, so we need to run the wire outside. We're going to have conduit that's going to run up this pillar here to look at these stairs, and then conduit's going to run up this pillar here to look at these stairs. We'll have a junction box right here with a camera up top, and then we're going to run conduit in the ground along this side here. That's going to come from above here in this corner around this pillar, and we're going to drill into the building up here. For this area here, similar idea. We're going to come out of the corner up here. We're going to wrap around this pillar and come down, and then conduit is going to run in the ground along the building here. And watch this staircase with this camera. We're going to do a power bar here by this plug, and we're just going to have the switch go on this shelf, and then we're going to have a raceway go up into the attic here, and then from the attic we're going to come over and drill outside. But we basically need to bring power up to this corner somehow, and then we're going to drill out. We could do like a surface mounted electrical box there. We've got this conduit here that we've run from the building here down into the ground. You can see behind me we've got this long trench that runs all the way back to the other side of the building, and the reason why we did this is because they needed some cameras at the other end of the building. There was really no easy way to get cabling from the office through the sanctuary into this end of the building, where they actually needed some security at these stairs. If you can see behind me, I've got some conduit that comes up the building here, that comes out of the ground, and it runs across the top here. And we've got a camera box there, and then the wire actually continues up and then comes around the front of the building. We've got another camera there, so that's really to watch these staircases. That if you come around this side of the building is also, it's coming down this wall. Okay, so as you can see, we've got another trench that just runs along the length of the building. That's feeding then in the attic of the church. Kind of a unique feature that we did here is they actually have these doorbells that the office administrator has people kind of requesting access to the building, and that's how they get in touch with her. So we've got some stationary cameras watching some staircases, and then they're linked in with some video doorbells that also allow her to respond to people requesting access, and then she's able to also see who it is as well. So pretty cool job for a unique kind of setup. There's another one here. Kind of the main reason for this one as well, they've got a staircase here behind them that they need to make sure people are using safely. They don't want any false claims for insurance or anything like that, so an important security feature for them. Again, that door can be operated by the administrator, so she's able to see who's at the door requesting access. That was a bit of an issue for us that we ran into, because of the sheer size of this building, how do we get cabling from this side of the building to the other side of the building? We literally had to think outside the box by actually running the cabling outside. Really happy with the end result. I think all the cameras look great. The conduit turned out well, you know, to try to at least keep with the historical look of the building. The office administrator, she's happy. She's able to you know, check who's coming in and out of the building, and she's got a bit of safety and security there as well. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you got any questions, just send them below and I'll answer them as best I can. I know I didn't really answer a lot of questions in this video. I more wanted to just show you guys what we did here. Thanks for watching. Take care.